Much of the U.S. is trying to stay warm due to the bitter cold conditions. The Consumer Product Safety Commission says this is the time of year when we see the most deaths from carbon monoxide poisoning. Bradley Blackburn has more on how to keep your family safe.
Many parts of the United States are dealing with freezing temperatures and wintry conditions, which can lead to power outages and other problems when trying to stay warm. In Houston, leaders are warning about the risks of carbon monoxide poisoning from heaters, fireplaces, and generators.
We did have an incident today that involved 2 children. Fortunately, our fire department did an amazing job in taking them to a local hospital for precautionary measures, and the prognosis is good.
Every year in the U.S., about 100 people die from CO poisoning from portable generators, according to the Consumer Product Safety Commission.
Carbon monoxide is an invisible killer. You cannot see it, you cannot smell it, and it can literally incapacitate you in moments and kill you.
That's why prevention is critical. Number 1, make sure you have carbon monoxide alarms. Install one on every level of your home and outside sleeping areas. Check the batteries regularly.
Number 2, get a professional inspection of your furnace and your other fuel burning appliances every year. And 3, never use a portable generator inside your home. That's where we see the most number of deaths related to carbon monoxide.
While everyone is at risk, the CDC says infants, older adults, and people with heart disease or breathing problems are more likely to get sick from carbon monoxide.
So know the symptoms, which include headache, dizziness, weakness, nausea, vomiting, sleepiness, and confusion. If you suspect CO poisoning, get out of the house to fresh air right away and then call 911. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.
Again, consumers should never use a portable generator inside enclosed spaces. Even opening doors or windows will not provide enough ventilation to prevent potentially deadly levels of carbon monoxide from building up.